In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a positive feedback as a new seller account. If you're just starting out as a seller, one of the biggest challenges is building trust. Buyers often feel more confident purchasing from sellers who already have good feedback, so your first few sales really matter. The goal here is to create a smooth, professional experience that gives buyers a reason to feel satisfied and hopefully leave a positive review. A simple way to begin is by selling inexpensive items and making sure the delivery is correct. Starting with lower cost products can help reduce risk for both you and the buyer. It also makes it easier to complete early transactions quickly. What matters most is that the item arrives as described, in good condition and within the expected delivery time frame. Even if the item is inexpensive, buyers still appreciate accuracy, care, and reliability. Next, add tracking to the order. This is very important because tracking helps buyers see where their package is and when it's expected to arrive. It also makes you look more professional as a seller. When a buyer can follow the shipment, it reduces uncertainty and lowers the chance of messages asking where the order is. In many cases, simply keeping the customer informed can improve the overall buying experience and increase the likelihood of positive feedback. After that, go to the top of the eBay page and hover over My eBay. This menu gives you access to the main account features you'll need as a seller. Once the drop-down appears, click on Messages. This is where you can communicate directly with your buyers in a simple and professional way. From there, send the buyer a short thank you message after they purchase your product. Keep the message polite, friendly, and concise. A simple note thanking them for their purchase can leave a strong impression. It shows that there's a real person behind the account and that you care about the transaction. You don't need to overdo it or pressure them for feedback. Just focus on appreciation and professionalism. That combination of accurate delivery, tracking information, and good communication can make a big difference when you're trying to build your reputation as a new seller. Positive feedback usually comes from buyers who feel informed, respected, and happy with the overall experience. As you continue selling, consistency is what will help you grow. Treat every order carefully, communicate clearly, and make each buyer feel valued. That's one of the best ways to earn positive feedback naturally and build a strong seller account over time.